Okay, folks, today Mrs. Traveler, also known as Kathy, is going to make zucchini bread and zucchini lemon bread. And she's going to start by shredding the zucchini.
I'm going to wash my hands and the zucchini. So I'm just grating it. We need 2 cups.
So once she gets the 2 cups and ready to go on from there, we'll be back. And now she's zesting lemons.
Yes, 2 large lemons.
The zest from 2 large lemons. And when that's done, we'll be back for more. I promise you this is going to be yummy bread. So Kathy greased 2 loaf pans.
Greased and floured.
Greased and floured.
Sorry.
Allergies stink.
But anyways, okay, so 2 loaf pans. And I pretty much have everything measured out, most things measured out here. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to whisk together the flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder. So we have.
And that's all together already, or?
No.
Sorry.
3 cups of flour. A teaspoon of baking powder. A teaspoon of baking soda. That was the salt. And a teaspoon of salt. Okay. That's all the ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to whisk that together. I forgot to bring the whisk in, but I'm just going to do this. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. We're going to combine the sugar and the lemon zest. So this is 2 cups of sugar. And the zest from 2 large lemons.
I tell you folks, this bread is mouth-watering good. Mouth-watering, lip-smacking.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
So you're going to rub the sugar and the lemon zest together with your fingers until it's fragrant.
And she washed her hands, as she said earlier, so none of those.
You're not going to eat it anyways, but
True.
The idea is there.
It's just the 3 of us who probably will eat it.
And there it's starting to smell nice and lemony, so I'm done with that. Now we add eggs, oil, and lemon juice. So we need 3 large eggs.
Now, are these farm fresh or?
These are Walmart fresh.
Okay, these ones were store-bought.
Let's save the fresh ones for eating straight up.
So the farm fresh eggs we are going to eat ourselves.
Okay.
Well,
3 large eggs, a cup of oil, 1 cup oil, and a tablespoon of lemon juice.
And if a little bit extra drips in there, it don't matter.
Better. So 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
Don't get all worked up, Lucy.
And 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla.
I don't know if you heard that. She's getting 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla.
Everyone is chew. The sugar and all the wet ingredients in this bowl, and we're just going to stir it till it's smooth.
I tell you, this is another case where I wish we had the smell-a-tube for you.
Add the dry ingredients, and we're going to stir that just till it's combined. You're only going to do it backwards. This is a bowl. So mix the two together.
So the zucchini isn't in there yet, huh?
No, zucchini is not in here. I hope I didn't miss that. I think you put it in after you mix this together.
Okay,
This is really delicious bread. It's a good treat if you have company over, or for a whole day, or just because you like it, but it's really good.
amen.
If you like lemon, you will love this.
Yes. And we do like our lemon. Even Lucy, who's eating a treat over there to keep her quiet, likes lemon, and she's not supposed to.
So that's pretty well combined. Oh, I've got so much flour here on the bottom. Now let's see. The batter will be thick. Then we stir in the zucchini. 2 cups of shredded zucchini. It's nice and fresh. You saw it being grated earlier.
Zucchini on my mind.
The first time I made this, it was like last fall, and the kids were up for the holidays, and I had made this, and they couldn't stop eating it.
Yeah, especially our eldest son.
Well, the grandkids too.
Were they?
Yeah, CJ and Bella were all about it.
Seemed every time I was turning around, Chris had a piece in his hand. Now, of course, I didn't have any. And if you all believe that, I got some real estate to sell you.
Okay, I made my arms sore, but that's mixed in. So now we're going to stir in zucchini and pour it into bread pan. I don't know how you're going to pour that as thick as it is, but I'm going
Scoop
to put it into
the
2 pans. Let's move some of this out of the way.
And
I try to make them as even as I can. I said, this is really thick. It's not like you're going to pour it in, but I'll put like 1 scoop in this one and 1 scoop in that one so I get it used.
And when she's done with that, we'll come back. So we got, I should say, Kathy got it all scooped in, and now she's leveling it off, I guess.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So this batter is really thick.
It's not your normal type of batter. Is that what you're saying?
Surprisingly, when it comes out of the oven, it's not like a heavy bread. It's nice.
and you'll put it in the oven, at pre-baked oven.
Preheated to 350.
Pre
325, I'm sorry.
Preheated oven at 325, not pre-baked. And for how long?
So this is going to go in for 60 to 65 minutes. Now, well, I'll show you. There's a topping to put on it. I've kind of adjusted it. It's not quite the same as the recipe, but so putting this in to cook.
And we'll be back soon. So here's 2 loaves of zucchini bread. And now we're going to make the icing for it, which contains what?
3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And a cup of powdered sugar.
And she's mixing it up. How many? You said 3 tablespoons?
3 tablespoons of lemon juice and a cup of powdered
sugar. Here's what I'm laughing at, folks. So now she's not going to look at me, but our Lucy, she wants it as much as I do.
glazed and icing.
It's more of a glaze than an icing, but tell you what, it's good. Now, does the glaze have to cool down, or?
Well, the bread has to cool down too. Who's eat it cold? This is just out of the oven. Put in the fridge and
we'll be back for taste test. So now comes the taste test. Ladies before gentlemen. Okay. Ladies first and then monsters. And now I get to taste it. Oh yeah. Nice and lemony. So, remember all, no matter what kind of assistive device you need, canes, walkers, whatever it might be, that helps you live your life to its fullest. It's not making you handicapped. It's making you handy capable. Thanks so much for joining us. Have a great day. God bless. I'm going to finish this zucchini bread.